Greetings RC fans, Sharky here and welcome back to Sharky's Garage. Today I'm out at the BERCC with this, my JJRC Q65 Willys Matchbox Jeep Tribute. So I got it all back together. You see that on the Wrench on the Bench episode. It's still got some challenges, and today this is going to go home with Ken Nall, and Ken is going to attempt to fix my problems that I caused myself. But the plan is today to take this out over the Super Scale Trail in the Scale area. This leaf sprung, it's only a 130 motor, it's now running 7.4 volts. We'll see how it does. It's got the MN-99 wheels and tyres on it. I think it looks amazing, and let's see what we get today. Before we get into that, don't forget to do the usual things: like, comment and subscribe. We got the on-off switch problems. What we got? What's the problem? This is going to be a short video by the looks of this. That's not. Right, let's try this somewhere else. I think that because it's got only a small motor, it's having some challenges. We'll go round on the Super Scale area around the corner here and see if we can get some footage there. If not, Ken's going to end up putting the 250, I think it is, motor in. But we may end up just talking with the course build around here on the Super Scale area. Because if this is not working, then that may be the solution to giving you a video. Oh, let's see. Yeah, everything's reversed. No, that little 130 motor is just not cutting it. We're going to have to get it upgraded. Just going to pause the video there to get a thumbnail picture. Yeah, this clearly just doesn't have with the little motor it got, and I'm going to have to climb up there and turn it on and off again. I think the 130 motor is just struggling with it. I think when we get the MN-99 on it, so essentially apart from axles and that, it will be an MN-99. There's the switch. Switch it off, switch it on. So let's have a look. What's the problem? off, off, on. Can't ever say that I don't keep it real. Right, that's now working. Right, let's see if we turn that on. It's working. Okay, so we've got a light on the top there. We've got steering. Right. Don't know. Don't know. Oh. Yep, definitely needs that bigger motor in it. Because it's fine on this sort of stuff. So I think I'm just going to have to get Ken to fix it. This is why I don't do electric stuff. Because this body and chassis should yeah. Right, so I think it's a good job Ken's here. So at the minute, green lanes is about the best we're going to get out of this. Look. We have smoke. I'm turning everything off. So I think I've just blown the motor. Huh. Well, yeah, that's going to be the end of that. Oh well, it was an interesting video. Hopefully it's not the board, I think it's the motor. I'll give it to Ken. I have got the motor, the original motor out of the MN-99 that can go in it. There is another ESC. There is another controller so that I can run it off my Fly Sky GT3 that I run little blue off. But yeah, I've blown the motor. So not to worry, these things happen. Oh yes, so we'll head back to the car and hand things off to Ken later. And as Clarkson is off to say, and on that bombshell, we close. Thanks very much for watching. We'll catch you all again next time.